Hey Alfred, have you seen that trendy thing going on Instagram? I'm going to transform it into a video.
No one can.
Yes, I can. I'm going to use Canva.
Come on.
Hey Alfred, come over here. Do you know what? I can also transform the text on that image before even transforming it into a video, all inside of Canva.
I need a guarantee.
It's a guaranteed 100% Canva, nothing else. So I just hope you enjoyed the intro, and yeah, it was just me trying to be creative. So the first thing I'm going to do, and if you don't have this image already, check the link in the description. I have it down there. All right, so you can just follow along. So we have this photo here, and I'm going to first of all increase the size, and we can see the text is what it's saying. Now what we are simply going to do is to come to edit, and in edit, make sure you're hitting on see all. All right, so here in see all, we are going to look for magic layers. So select magic layers, and it should break everything down for us. So we can change the text on this image. Right, so we can see Canva has been able to break things down for us. All we need to focus on is this text and leave everything else. So I simply want to say I came, I'll do just to let you know you can do this in Canva. Okay, so this is just what we are trying to say, and you can say anything. So, just feel free and be creative. So you can see how we've just been able to change the text on the image. Now, the next step is to click on share, then come to download. Okay, so PNG, yes, this is the settings we want, and we'll just click on download. Now, once it's done downloading, we'll re-upload it and proceed to the next step. So yes, let me just click on save, and it should be saved for us. So I'll just click show image in file, and I will just import it quickly over here. So you can see I'm just importing it over here. So there we have it, the new image, what we've just edited. Now increase the size, and this is what we have. It's looking good. I think, yeah, I like it. Then come to edit. Then all you need to look out for is the image to video. So click on image to video, and it should ask you to generate a 5-second video. That's what we are looking for. Okay, so generate 5-second video and everything should be generated beautifully for us. So we'll give Canva some few seconds, and let's see what it's able to do. All right, there we have it. Beautifully is been created for us inside of Canva, a beautiful video. Now let me just show you how you can download it. Make sure you're heading on to share. In share, make sure you hit on download and ensure it's MP4, because now this is a video. The other thing to take note of is the pages. The video is only on page 2. So I just click and choose the current page, or we can just also click the page we want, which is page 2, and click on done. Once you have that set, come and click on download. Give Canva some few seconds, and your video should be downloaded. All right, so this is the final video, and we've been able to do everything inside of Canva. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like, subscribe for more Canva related videos.